Welcome to one-of-a-kind waterfront property listed for only $399,000. So let's welcome to 1278 Aire Street, located in a great neighborhood in East Windsor. And the frontage of the house, basically it's one of the biggest frontage of all of the houses here. And also we have very unique and big driveway here that fits almost like how many cars, Saif? Like 6 cars here easily.
I think you can easily put 3 cars right here.
Yes.
And also you can put them a little bit on the side and put another cars here. So it can even be 2 cars beside each other.
Exactly.
So the driveway is one of the biggest ones in this in this neighborhood.
This house features 4 bedrooms, having 3 bathrooms in this neighborhood, and these houses is very special and very unique. Let's go check it out. So here, once we go on that side, we have a shed, a huge shed at the back of the house from this side. It's actually a very nice one, and it's so big. The size is so huge. We can see the exterior of the house is brick, half a brick and half vinyl, which is great.
I said a lot about these houses. They build them in all of the foundation is concrete, which is one of the best materials to build a house on.
Indeed. So this is the main entrance for the door, and this is the shed. It's a very big shed. Let's see if it's open. It is open. Okay. If you can see, a lot of stuff in here. Put yours. It's kind of storage here, exactly.
So Sarah, this one is heated and also has electricity inside it. So it could be perfect for like whatever you want to work here or you want to store here.
Especially in winter.
Yes. Now,
let's check out
you to the backyard.
Amazing and special backyard here. As you can see, we have all cement in that side, so you can have an area, a clean area for your barbecue, chilling, kids playing around in this area right here. A lot of playgrounds in there, and they have put a fence here just to protect the kids from running all behind, because we have a river at the back of the house. Let's go.
So this is the door, the other door that takes you to the house or out to the backyard. And just like Sarah was saying, half a brick here, nice place for barbecue, and nice swings here for the kids.
And also a nice thing that the backyard is kind of private, so basically you don't see a lot of windows for the neighbors that look into your backyard, and it's fully fenced. Both neighbors are a little bit far away, so kind of you have your own privacy here. They have built in this just to kind of add more add more vibes into the barbecue, and the river by itself is amazing. Let's go check it out.
Yeah, a lot of stuff you guys see like it's been built by the current owner, like the fire bit right here. This is really nice and it's very useful, and so as these swings here.
Yes.
Which is a really perfect place for the kids to play around.
We have a little hill right over here before you cross and see the river.
So, do you know what you can use this for? Like in winter time, when you have a lot of snow, you can even use this little hill as slide.
Sliders.
You can slide with your kids to the backyard,
Exactly.
which is really cool.
So fun. If you have kids, this backyard is great for you. Let's go and see the riverside. So this is the river. Where is this river gonna take you?
So this river connects you to the lake. Just so you go from the left side, it's going to connect you with the lake. So we usually see a lot of people here with kayaks.
Yes.
And they just go with their boats, little boats or kayaks. Just like the neighbors here, they have small boats that takes them sometimes if they want to do fishing, or if they just want to go to the lake. You can easily take it within 3, 4, 5 minutes. You would be in the lake.
Exactly, and we always see lots of people kayaking on this river, and some people have a boat. Once we are here, they are just having fun in here, and they can also go to the riverside because it's connected. So this is great. You can basically go from your house literally to the riverside with your boat or with your kayak.
Sarah, if you like if someone likes fishing, this one would also be perfect for fishing because there's a lot of fish down there. And you know, the owner of this house, that's why they have this nice table there, because they used to fish from this river. And you can also set some barbecue right here, and you know, whatever you fish from the river, you can right away eat it.
And you have
make it a lunch.
You have this table. This is very nice. You can sit here with the kids or by yourself, chilling here. Very nice atmosphere.
Yeah, and one last thing about this river, it's like on winter time this gets frozen. So what you can, like I saw some people, they use this as for hockey. They play hockey. They go down there with the kids.
That's even nicer.
Because you know it's stable. Like there's no current. It doesn't go fast and anything. So in winter time when it gets too cold, it gets all frozen, and even kids can go down there and they play hockey on it.
I can have more fun in winter than summer actually.
Yeah.
So we have a lot of space here. Saif, watch out, you're standing literally like at the edge. We have a lot of space here. You can add more stuff. Maybe you can move your barbecue here. That's something doable. If you want to add some like another table here, we can still have some area. And here, just if you want to make it safer, you can add a fence if you have kids. And you know, we already have a fence there, but at the same time, if you're sitting here with your kids and you want to have a fence here, it's going to be safer, of course. But that's up to you. So let's go and see the inside of the house. Welcome to 178 Aire Place. So this is the main door entrance to the house. We have the lobby over here, and we have a small closet right there with a mirror door, which is nice, nice add. And also the flooring here on this side, it's great. We have the stairs that take us to the bedrooms upstairs. And here we have all the main floor kitchen. And we have a great feature, which is the bathroom that we have here. And I have seen a lot of houses in this area, they don't have a bathroom on the main floor. They only have one bathroom upstairs, which is kind of annoying. But those people have added another bathroom, half bathroom on the main floor, which is great add and make your life so much easier, especially if you have kids. This is so necessary. So we have a toilet and also a sink. And you can obviously see that this is a brand new bathroom that's been added here. Let's take you to the living area on this side. First, this is the door that takes us to the basement. We're gonna see later in the video. Now let's take the living area. We have. So
I really love how nice and clean the space is, and they really take care of a lot of small details.
Exactly.
Like the house is really in perfect condition, I would say.
Exactly. They are living in the house and they have lots of kids, but still the house looks like it's staged and it's totally clean. It's so nice. I like it. I like all the art pieces on the walls. The color of this wall adding great add to the whole living area over here. We have a huge 2 big windows, and also we have the door that takes us to the backyard, which obviously adding a lot of natural lights to the living area. I
want to mention that out, Sarah. Like today is not a sunny day, but you guys can see how like shiny the place is, because there's a huge big windows from almost every side.
If it was sunny, then here it's gonna be so warm and it's gonna be even lighter. But right now it's already, we have spotlights on the ceiling, but even if you turn them off, we can still have a lot of natural lights coming from the windows. And here at the back of the living area, we have the kitchen, an amazing kitchen. As you can see, it's a clean and a new kitchen. White, I like it. Kinda, I think it fits for like a family of 5 or family of 6. It's more than enough. We have a nice and a new fridge right here. It's a brand new. And also we have the refrigerator on this side, a stove, and on this side we have the microwave and a dishwasher. So all of these appliances, of course, are coming with the sale of the house. And
Sarah, I also love the fact that it has, like a granite right here.
Yeah.
Some of these new kitchens, they stopped adding granite just to be, reducing the cost.
Exactly.
But this one, they stick to the basic, to the good materials, and that's why they still have the granite here and the double sink.
Indeed, and I also like the backsplash that they have here, and it goes all around to the ceilings and all around to the both sides of the microwave and also the stove. I like this because it usually goes only at the back of the sink, and here it's all drywall, but I like this. And also we have a big window at the top of the sink. We have a double sink. This is kind of adding a lot of also like nice vibes to the kitchen as well.
So don't forget the nice lights on the top.
Of course, lights fixtures in every part of this house are really amazing. I mean, they're taking a very good care of the whole house.
And I also like the open concept because here they have their dining area.
Yes.
And also it's all open for the kitchen and the rest of the place.
And I like the flooring. Like once you walk on the flooring, they're very stable. You don't hear any noise coming from out of them. The flooring are pretty nicely done. Let's go and see the bedrooms on the upstairs.
So this house is a two-story house, and all of the bedrooms are on the second floor, and also there's one bedroom in the basement because you have finished basement as well. We're going to show it to you later. But here we have 3 bedrooms and a full bathroom that's recently updated. It's fully renovated and it's very clean. So just behind Sarah there is a closet. We're going to show it to you in a little bit, but for now let's just start with the bathroom. So come take a look at this walk-in stand-up shower, a new tile, a new vanity, and also a new toilet. It's really nice, really neat. And Sarah, I really want to show you because like when they renovated the place, they didn't expect to plan to sell the place, so they did it. It's like for them, right? So when you look at it, like just look at the shower panel. I really need you, Sarah, to show it to them. The shower panel here, like look at the details, look at the materials that they chose. It's really nice, and
it's also expensive.
And it's expensive. And Sarah, even like the details when they build it, like just this niche by itself is like an extra $1,000 to be added on the job. But you know what? They spend that much money to make it perfect. And just like you can see, it's missing nothing. It's really nice bathroom and it's perfect from everywhere. And here is the first bedroom. They're kind of using this one as big walk-in closet and also small office. So they have all of their stuff here, extra stuff, and also, a desk and
But I think if you empty the bedroom from all this stuff, it's going to be a very good size bedroom.
Of course, it could be a bedroom for sure, because it already has a nice big window. And by the way, these windows are updated, so you're good from that aspect. And now let's go to the second bedroom. So this is the second bedroom. It's for the kids. You can see the colors, the details. It's really nice, really neat and clean. And of course has another big window, nice light that's coming in.
And we also have here on this side a space if you want to add a closet here. But right now they don't need it because they need more drawers than just hanging the clothes of the kids, in this
Exactly.
age.
You can add one here, or you can buy one ready, or you can buy custom cabinets right here. You can do whatever you want because the space is there. So right now let's go and take you. So this is the closet, just more storage for you here. And here is the master bedroom. So this one is the biggest one. It's the biggest in size. And you can see this is a queen size bed with the big windows in the back, and you have 2 side tables here. So it's really nice, really clean. And again, there's a big closet on this side as well. You can see nice mirror doors, nice customizer from the inside, so that's really cool as well. So what do you think of the space?
I mean, overall, I like all the the vibes that they are adding, like the art piece, the color, the mirrors and everything here. The colors, it's so calm, and I like the size. Everything looks so good here. And also the big window that they have behind the bed is also
I agree.
A great
So
feature.
with everything from the outside, the inside, the parking at the front,
The lights
the river,
fixture,
light fixtures, like
all around the house.
this house is really nice for a family. Like
Yes.
I really can see that. So right now let's go and take a look at the basement. It's fully finished basement. We'll see you in there. So now we just came from the main floor down to the basement, and just like you can see as well, it's recently updated. There's a lot of new updates happened to this place. So this is a powder bathroom. You can see it, nice vanity, nice new flooring, and also a toilet right here. And also from this side, this is more than a storage. It's a storage, and also you have the laundry and the electrical panel. So you know, all of the, you know, the technical stuff, mechanical stuff are here for the place. A new huge panel for the house, which is really important. And you can see the, you know, the all of the foundation for the place. It is concrete, which is one of the best materials to use for foundation. And there's a lot of space, like a lot of space literally here for.
I actually like that this house has a lot of spaces for your storage. Like we have especially like the shed outside, and also we have this bedroom. And this is great, because usually when you have kids, you will have a lot of stuff as storage.
And Sarah, like one of the things, like for someone who wants to add even more value in the future, there's a lot of space here, so you can extend the bathroom to add a full bathroom. Because right now there's no shower in the bathroom, but you can easily do that because you have a lot of space in here. Now let's take you to this last bedroom right here, or you can it could be like a bachelor bedroom, whatever you want to call it, but it's a nice space. You know, with the nice port lights all over. The basement, what I love about it, it has a very, very high ceiling. Like I can touch them if I go there, but like I'll never be able to touch them with my head. Usually, you know, two-story houses has a lower ceiling for the basement. This one doesn't. It has a very good high ceiling heights.
Exactly, and I like all of these finishes that they have added into that wall. This is kind of add more something like nice stuff to the area here at the same time. And if they want to turn this into a like a second living area, or maybe a play area, play games for the kids or for adults, this is also a great area.
Yeah, it would make a perfect, like, you know, man cave. You can add like your billiard table here or table tennis here.
Exactly.
There's a lot of stuff. You could do a lot of things here. It doesn't have to be a bedroom if you don't need it, because they already have 3 upstairs. But if you needed it, then it could be another bedroom as well.
Exactly.
So let us know, guys, what do you think about this house in the comments. And if you are interested, reach us out. Our number is going to be on the screen. And if you want to watch more tours like this, make sure to watch this video next, right here. See you in the next one.